Hello everyone, Drishti IAS welcomes you to the new series of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is flex fuel vehicles. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. Recently, the government has advised the automobile manufacturers in India to start manufacturing flex fuel vehicles, that is FFV, and flex fuel strong hybrid electric vehicles, that is FFV SHEV, complying with BS6 norms in a time-bound manner. Now let's discuss about FFV and FFV SHEV. FFV, that is flex fuel vehicles. They have engines that can run on flexible fuel, that is a combination of petrol and ethanol, which can include up to 100% ethanol. FFV SHEV, that is flex fuel strong hybrid electric vehicles, when FFV is integrated along with strong hybrid electric technology, it is referred as FFV SHEVs. Strong hybrid is another term for full hybrid vehicles, which have the capability to run solely on either electric or petrol modes. In contrast, mild hybrids cannot run purely on one of these modes and use the secondary mode merely as a supplement to the main mode of propulsion. In order to accelerate the introduction of FFVs, the Production Linked Incentive, that is PLI scheme, has included automobile and auto components of flex fuel engines. Now we will discuss about BS6 fuel norms. The Bharat Stage, that is BS, emission standards instituted by the Government of India to regulate the output of air pollutants from motor vehicles. India directly shifted from BS4 to BS6 norms. The switch to BS6 vehicles was to happen in 2022, but looking at the poor air condition, the move was advanced by 4 years. In BS6 fuel, the volume of particulate matter 2.5 ranges from 20 to 40 micrograms per cubic meter, whereas in BS4 fuel, it is up to 120 micrograms per cubic meter. BS6 fuel will bring down sulfur content by 5 times from the current BS4 levels. It has 10 ppm of sulfur as against 50 ppm in BS4. Sulfur in the fuel contributes to fine particulate matter emissions. High sulfur content in the fuel also leads to corrosion and wear of the automobile engine. With BS6 fuel, for every 1 kilometer, a car will emit 80% less particulate matter and nearly 70% less nitrogen oxide. Air pollutants in BS6 fuel are much less as compared to BS4 fuel. BS6 norms also seek to reduce the level of certain harmful hydrocarbons in the emissions that are produced due to incomplete combustion of fuel. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements. 1. Flex fuel vehicles have engines that can run on flexible fuel, even 100% ethanol. 2. Flex fuel strong hybrid electric vehicles can run solely on electricity. Which of the above statements is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.